Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 2nd of July 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Portugal's renewable energy plants met 77% of the nation's power needs during the first half of 2025. Electricity consumption in the country rose by 2.2% year-on-year in the first half of the year. Hydropower led Portugal's electricity mix in the period, accounting for 36% of total generation. This is followed by wind power at 26%, according to data from the national grid operator. Chinese President Xi Jinping presided over the 6th meeting of the Central Financial and Economic Commission on the morning of July 1st. The purpose was to study issues such as deepening the construction of a unified national market and high-quality development of the marine economy. He delivered an important speech at the meeting, emphasizing that building a unified national market is necessary to build a new development pattern and promote high-quality development. Labor's plans to establish a nationwide offshore wind industry have been dealt a fresh blow. Norwegian oil and gas giant Equinor confirmed it had walked away from one of its last remaining Australian projects. The Norwegian multinational has had a majority interest in the Bass offshore wind energy project off the northeast Tasmanian coast since December 2022, when it joined forces with local developer Nextsphere. Taiwan's wind power ambitions were just beginning to gather momentum. Massive wind turbine foundations had been hammered into the seabed, and vessels laden with heavy equipment roared day and night as the workers rushed to meet construction deadlines. As a result of increasing demand, the first Taiwan-owned submarine cable factory, operated by Walsin Energy Cable System, will launch later this year. The sector produced goods worth more than 188 billion new Taiwan dollars last year, a 51% increase over production in the years before the pandemic. Spain's Zelestra has secured a €235 million increase to an existing loan scheme, which will help it develop renewable energy projects in Europe, the US, and elsewhere. The sustainability-linked financing, provided by a pool of 11 banks, dates back to 2023. This marks the second increase after one last year and brings the value of the loan to €770 million. Zelestra has more than 5 gigawatts contracted in long-term agreements with customers and plans to have 9 more by the end of next year. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.